In this video, we will show you how to use the Stinger transition effect. First, enter Main menu, then go to Files. In the File Type option, activate Clip, then select the clip that you would like to use. You can also use the Datavideo Switcher Image Import-Export software to import new clips into the HS3200. If you need to specify the transition time, set the start frame, mid frame, and end frame in the Clip Settings option. Remember to select Save to save the clip settings. Finally, select Load, and the system will start loading the selected clip. On the keyboard panel, locate and press the Clips button in the Transition button group, then either move the T-bar or press the Auto button to trigger the Stinger transition effect.